threading the machine. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Raise the foot. Press the top cover release button to open the top cover. Raise the retractable thread guide bar. Move the pop-up spool pin lever to the right to raise the spool pins. Place a spool of thread on the left spool pin and secure the spool with the spool holder. Pass the thread through the guide on the thread guide bar from behind. Pass the thread through the left thread guide. Hold the upper thread with both hands and slip it under the thread guide plate. Draw the thread toward you and pass it into the right channel. Pull the thread up around the guide plate and along the left channel. Slip the thread into the eye of the take-up lever and pull it down along the left channel. Pass the thread through the lower thread guide from the right to the left. Pass the thread through the needle bar thread guide from the right and draw it to the left firmly. Pass the thread through the slit of the needle threader. Be sure that the thread passes under the hook. Cut the thread with the thread cutter. Lower the foot. Press the needle threader button. Pull the end of the thread through the needle eye to the rear. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.